MiGs in the area and tensions are high. If you witness a hostile act, you will return fire. Those MiGs carry the Exocet anti-ship missile. They can fire that missile from 100 miles away. Gentlemen, this is the real thing. This is what you've been trained for. You are best. Make us proud.
Fuel status Tiger. Mustang, we get the chance to give me a mode 4 check.
Voodoo 1, you've got a pair of bogeys, 12 o'clock, 15 miles.
Voodoo 1, 090, radar contact 15 miles. They're doing 500 knots.
Roger, that's your bogey.
Got in ahead, 15 miles. Airspeed is 600 knots.
Okay, Wood, I'm taking the lead. Let's identify him.
Roger, Ice, you got the lead. I'm on your left side, a little low.
Maverick, we got a MiG on our tail.
Maverick's re-engaging, sir.
I can't get him off my tail.
Ice, I've got your MiG dead ahead. I've got him dead ahead. Good tone. I got good tone. I got tone. Fire it.
Maverick, move. There's a MiG on your tail.
We've got a problem here. We've only got one missile left.
Approaching 110 miles, sir.
I got him. He's right on us. Twin our tails.
I got a good lock. Firing.
Woo! Splashboard! Mustang, this is Voodoo 3. Remaining MiGs are bugging out.